Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is McKinley and I have a question for you today. What if I told you that you could make $1,000 just for inviting people to a Facebook group? That's right, you can make $1,000 US dollars just for getting people to join our Facebook group. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Alrighty. Like I said, the name of the group is called Traffic Domination. We are a group of marketers, affiliate marketers, and every month we have a competition where there's $3,000 up for grabs, okay? Obviously, the top spot gets $1,000, okay? And I bet you're wondering, I wonder how I could join. Oh, you can join. It's pretty easy and it's free. It doesn't cost you any money, so you can put your credit cards away. All right. There's 3 things you got to do in order to join the contest and be successful. You got to join the Facebook group. Don't worry about that. I'm going to leave a link down in the description. I'll take care of that for you. Once you're in the Facebook group, you got to sign up to be an affiliate. Now, the reason why you're going to do that is because we have a bunch of products that you can advertise to other affiliates, or you can advertise to people that want to grow their business, okay? We also have an affiliate program and we have an advertising program. So you want to join the affiliate program, and then you'll get access to all of the different things that we sell. And the third thing you got to do is you got to get people to join using your affiliate link. Now, you're more than welcome to have them use my affiliate link if you want, but you won't get credit, and I am going to keep the $1,000. So if you like me that much, okay, I'm cool with it. I'll be happy, but seriously, no, all you have to do is get them to join through your affiliate link. And how this works is we have what is called the OLSP, the one lead single pixel. And what you're looking at here is a screenshot of today's leaderboard. This is from today. So if you were to join the group, okay, these are the top 10 people for this month, okay? And how it works is people sign up through your link. We have them watch an introduction video, and once they're done with that video, it puts a pixel on their computer, and so that you get credit, it goes to you. And that's all you have to do. They don't have to buy anything, but what's going to happen is they're going to come in, they're going to see that the group is pretty active, they're going to see that people are having successes, they're going to see that people are employing the strategies and the trainings that were free so that they can have success in affiliate marketing. They're probably going to stick around. They're probably going to want to know more. They want to know we have YouTube training, we have email list training, we have Facebook training, Instagram training, VIP program, we got solo ads. What do you want? We probably got it. And in the 3 weeks that I've been in this group, they're adding stuff almost on a weekly basis. So I'm excited to be in this group, and I hope you are too. Okay, let's go to the payouts and explain how that's going to work for you. Okay, see all that money? I'm trying to get that. I want that into my account. But I won't be mad if one of you guys gets it either. So top prize, you got $1,000. That's 1,000 US. Let me know in the comments below, what would you do with $1,000? All right, second prize is 500. You got 300, 200. And now I know what you're asking. Probably like, okay, what's this plus 100 clicks here? Okay, those are our solo ads. Once you've completed your training, okay, you'll be all set up to purchase solo ads. And these are, you can buy them in groups of 100. You get 100, 200, then I think it's 3, 4, 5, something like that. But you don't have to worry. But that's what the 5th through 10th place winners get as well. They get 100 clicks sent to their offer so that they will make additional money. They will build their email list. And this is an $80 value. So in reality, even the person that gets 10th place is getting around $80 in value. So that's pretty cool, I think. And I forgot to tell you at the beginning of the video, but I am going to give you a bonus if you just stick around. Now, let me explain how the one lead pixel system works. You know how when you join some affiliate programs that, okay, you get somebody to buy the program, and now that they're in the program, maybe you get a small recurring commission, but say they upgrade to a bigger ticket item, you don't get any commission on that. And that's not really fair to you. So what they have done is they've created a whole affiliate system where you will get a commission for everybody that comes into the group and they purchase anything. They purchase the Facebook training, they purchase the YouTube training, the lower ticket items, all the way up to the bigger ticket items. So let's take a look at the range of commissions. Okay, your commissions could be anywhere from $6 US to $2,000 per sale. So basically anything that one of the people that you brought into the group, when they stay, and they will stay because it's an amazing group. I like it. I'm meeting a lot of amazing people in it, and it will be beneficial to them. So they will probably want to purchase some additional tools to help them grow their business. And they will probably at some point, maybe a month or two down the road, they will start purchasing traffic, and you will get a commission on that as well. And if they as they get more successful, they'll start purchasing more and more traffic. The $2,000 is for the biggest ticket item in the group, and I think that was for, if I remember right, it was maybe for buying $5,000 worth of leads. I forget. But anyways, that's pretty much how our system works. Is we want to thank you for bringing people into the group. We want you to be successful. So we're going to give you a commission for their success as well. So I like that concept. I don't know about you. I'm pretty excited. All right, remember that bonus I was telling you about? Here we go. You're going to click the link in the description for your free Facebook training. Now this is going to be a secret guide. It's like a Facebook hack. or a cheat sheet, as some people would call it. You just click on it, and we will send it into your email. And this is just one of the things that this group is doing all the time. We're giving out free information all of the time. So I hope you enjoy this bonus. I certainly am learning from it. And anyways, that's about all I got. Let me know in the comments below, what are you going to do with $1,000, or even the 500, or even the 3 or 200? I know what I'm going to do with the $1,000 when I win it next month, and I hope to see you on the leaderboard. And I just want to say thank you for watching all the way to the end. And also, I almost forgot, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on the alerts, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.